How to give access to a Facebook business page. Now let's get started. First and foremost, open up your Facebook application, and if you're logged in with your Facebook account, now all you have to do is switch to your Facebook page. For that, tap in your profile icon from the top right corner with that three-line icon. From here, you will get an option to switch to your Facebook page. So next to your name, under this menu page, there you will have your page icon along with that arrow icon. So tap on that. That will directly switch to your Facebook page. Now once you land in your home page, navigate to the top right corner, and under that chat icon there is a profile icon with three-line icon. Tap on that. You will land on menu page. Scroll down a bit and there you will find multiple menus. From there, tap on Professional Dashboard. Now under this Professional Dashboard, scroll down. Now under this Tools section, tap on See More. Scroll down a bit and then you will find Page Access option there. Tap on that, and here you have two options to add the people. One, if you would like to add the admin, go with the first one that says people with Facebook access. Tap on Add New, make sure you read all of this information, then tap on Next. Now simply search by your username and allow the access. Or if you like to add people with task access, then tap on Add New. Now here make sure you read all of this information. That says any action you take as this page may be visible to anyone else who manages it. People with task access can't switch into this page or manage it directly on the Facebook, but they can manage it with other tools from Facebook. So once you read all of this information provided to you, tap on Next. Now from the search bar, search by name or username of that account that you would like to add. Once you find that account, tap and open up that account. Then there you will get various options to allow to. First of all, insights, ads, content, community activity, messages and call. So select the one that you would like to allow the access to. If you want to go only with content, tap on content. So this account will have access to all the content that you post in your Facebook page. After that, simply tap on Give Access. Now you have to type in your Facebook password for your confirmation. So type in your profile password. After that, tap on Confirm. When you confirm, an invitation has been sent to this account, and once this account accepts the invitation, you have provided access to this account to your Facebook page. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.